13 minus 1. 12 years. People dies after surgery on cancer after 5 years. Luckily, if you're still alive after 5 years. But according to medical statistics of America, in the breast cancer, once you were operated surgically, you will live only within span of 5 years. In the statistics of USA. So this human DNA's composition, kayo po yun at ako. We are created through DNA by our parents. Okay? So dito po nagsisimula ang inyong buhay, the DNA. The DNA must be properly, carefully studied. And this is what we call it, the DNA microbiology. Walang nagtuturo niyan sa school. Malalim yan. Pag sinabing DNA, akala mo lang, FDA lang ang pupuntahan mo. Dito, pag sinabing DNA, sa Clixsters kayo pupunta. Kasi narito ako.
Yeah.
Ano niya? Okay. DNA. Ito po yung DNA kompleto. Lahat po yan, nakikita nyo iba't ibang kulay. Siya po is symbolizing different form of chemicals organically in your body. And there are hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, tandaan yan, 5 yan. Nitrogen, phosphorus. Those 5 atomic chemical elements are your DNA. At kayo ay gawa sa 5 yon. Napo nyo? From the tip of your hair to the tip of your toe, gawa ka sa ganong chemicals. You cannot escape anymore. Okay? At yan po ay sikreto. So siya po ang medical secret. Kinakailangan sirain siya para ikaw ay gamutin. Paano sisirain? At sino sumisira? Sa ngayon po, dapat mo malaman, you are created through DNA, and DNA composed of electrons on the hydrogen and oxygen. And these electrons, you are the positive. You are the positive electromagnetic charge. You are the positive electric charge. Okay? But the negative part is not within your body. It is about to be supplied to your body from the outside sources. Let's say, force, right? Yung talon ng tubig. Ikaw yung positive, siya yung negative. Yan, nabubuhay ka, nagbabalance. Pero pag kumain ka ng mga toxic food, ang kinakain mo, mga positive charges. At ang kuryente, puro positive charges. The supplier, di ba? Most of the electrical current, everything, they supply the positive, and the negative is, alam niyo na, di ba? Kahit nga sa battery ng sakyan, di ba? Ang supplier, positive. Ang negative, yung kabila. Nakuha niyo? So, ang tao, positive. Ang negative, sa labas, pero hindi ka mabubuhay na always positive. You still need the negative part to balance your electrical impulses. Ito mga kuryente ito, kailangan ng katawan ko ito. But in a regulated and minimal amount. To operate your brain, kapag wala kang kuryente, patay ang tao. Pag walang ka sa kuryente, hindi ka makakapag-isip. You develop forgetfulness, memory loss, anxiety, depression. Yun po yung mga kulang sa electrical impulses in the brain. But this kind or this thing, you should know they are the human bioelectricity. And it is very wonderful. So may mga doktor po gumagamit po ng panggagamot through electrification, but on a standard basis and regulated. But because of rampant microwave, radiation wave, electrical wave from wire that today is all wireless. This body that you and I have are exposed to that of this electrification of the body. We call it ionizing radiation and the non-ionizing radiation that supplying everything, like the TV station network, the radio, the X-ray, and many others, including the cell phone, the microwaves. You see, X-ray is on the category of ionizing, and all of them are frequencies from kilohertz to megahertz to gigahertz. So palaki ng palaki yung signal wave. Ito po yung mga dangerous Ito, dangerous dito, pero this is the most dangerous. This is also dangerous. So, let's look on the X-ray. In the X-ray, once you are being exposed to X-ray, the radioactive from the X-ray damage your chromosomes to promote cancer cells, leading to growth and development of tumor. Lahat po tayo, pagka binunatan ng X-ray dito sa dibdib, masisira po yung chromosomes. Kaya yung doktor, nagpe-prescribe sa inyo ng nutrient, sustansya. Hindi mo na-imagine yan. Once you went to the hospital, exposed ka sa mga radioactivity in the hospital, like X-ray, MRI, cardiogram, and many imaging technology or scanning method, ang doktor po responsible to prescribe nutrient. But sad to say, they prescribe the OTC of the drugstore, over-the-counter nutrient, which is synthetic or made. Okay? So how can you be referred? So yung mga method nun, I recommend not to put yourself on X-ray because your system is very long. Kung siguro bata ka pa, pwede. But today, the most special concern is about the very big damaging effect of cell phone radiation. The Bluetooth, the internet, they are what we call it, destroying the position of the negative and the positive charge in your brain due to the effect of this destroyer of your chromosomes, beginning from X-ray tract to cell phone tract, the heavy ion tract. This is the cell phone and this is the X-ray. The X-ray is only the damage, but in the cell phone, trigger po ang malaking signal ang pumapasok sa iyong utak at sa iyong katawan to destroy your immune system. So yun po yung mga scenario ngayon na dapat malaman natin. Then it leads to promoting cancer cells. Ionizing radiation from X-ray, ang non-ionizing is for the cell phone, which is the most dangerous. But X-ray is dangerous, so let's talk about the X-ray. In X-ray, ionizing radiation use uranium atoms breaking into smaller atoms and particles which enter a human cells and striking the nucleus and damage the DNA, causing it to divide in an uncontrolled way, leading to cancer. Walang panansin. Okay? Yun po yun. So, in X-ray, you develop cancer if your body cannot be reversed or unrepairable. This is the effect of direct heat from radioactivity from cell phone or any part of the global Wi-Fi. This is your chromosomes. The direct heat is tatama sa iyong laman, sa brain, the tissue, sa iyong 100 trillion cells, surrounded by paranormal wave or electromagnetic frequencies. This is the radiation tract that damage your DNA, cluster DNA damage, you see? And this is your chromosomes. Yan, ganyan po siya. Direct hit, para kang binaril. Now, once you hold your cell phone, para kang binabaril dito, hindi mo napapansin na nasisira yung consciousness mo. Nakababad dyan, lalo ngayon ang promotion nila. Ang likod, di ba? Kung ano ng mga promo. Zero ka ba? Ang mamamayan. And that is what we call it, direct route. Ang iniinom ng tubig sa labas ay may mga free radical. Don't tell me they are alkaline, fine. All of them are indirect route because everything outside the body are all irradiated. Mga pagkain, inom, whether soft drinks o tubig. Okay? So kinakalan ng tubig mo ay protected na protected, silyado. Pagbukas mo, inom kagad. Eh, binibili mo sa radiation station. Lahat po yan, may radioactivity because of the global Wi-Fi. And that is what we call it, indirect route. The water you drink may form the free radical and you drink it. So, your body will be damaged. And this is the cell phone. Your body will be damaged. So, double damage yan. Okay? Naintindihan niyo? promoting DNA damage. This is the DNA damage of stage 1, 2, 3. Yan po yun. In America, meron dito. The scanning of DNA is through what we call it comet assay. Comet. Parang kometa na may buntot. Ang tawag po dito sa mga medical specialists po to read the aggravation of DNA damage, they call it the nucleus of the damage. And this buntot, they call it tail moment. The longer the tail, the aggravation is very bad. And this is the stage 4. Yun. Wala. Pag namatay ang ng DNA, patay ang may-ari ng DNA.